A city. Mountains in the distance. Text, 5 minutes from downtown SLC. Sign, Eaglewood Lofts. AA luxury housing complex. A small pier goes out into a pond. A well-lit, furnished communal space. A kitchen. Stool seating, stainless steel appliances, dark cabinets, shining countertops. Text, 2 clubhouses and 2 pools. A fire pit adjacent to a poolside fountain. Another furnished apartment. A well-lit bedroom. 2 side tables. Chairs and tables in a wide-open communal space. Pool and foosball tables. Seating around a wall-mounted TV on one end. Text, over 3 acres of park areas. A wide-open green park in the middle of some buildings. Another park with a volleyball net. A long path. Playground equipment. Another furnished apartment. Living room, bedroom, bathroom with plenty of closet space. Treadmills, weights and other equipment fill a gym. Bikes outside. 4 gamer chairs lined up in front of wall-mounted TVs that show Xbox One logos. 2 adjacent swimming pools. String lights out by a pool and over a nearby lounge area. 2 outdoor grills. Logo, Eaglewood Lofts.